Hi everyone, my name is Naveen Kumar and in this class we are going to talk about verbs. We already began the topic verb and we already discussed about dynamic verbs and stative verbs in our last class. In this class we are going to focus on two more things, they are main verb and helping verb. And in this class you will learn the difference between main verb and helping verb, and you will know the importance of helping verbs in a sentence. Let's begin the topic. Main verb. What is a main verb? Generally, we use so many verbs in a sentence to describe an action or to describe an activity or to describe a situation. So, when we focus on main thing or when we focus on main situation, when we focus on main verb, such words are called main verbs. Then what about helping verbs? There are various types of helping verbs in English language. They are be forms. We call them as auxiliary verbs also. So here we have to know about be forms first. Be forms. What are be forms? Be forms are am, is, are, was and were. These are called be forms or auxiliary verbs. So we use be forms to know the tense of a sentence. If you want to know the tense of a sentence, you have to mainly focus on main verbs or be forms. For example, here is a sentence. Hari is working now. Hari is working now. If you observe the sentence Hari is working now, there you will find two verbs, not only a verb, you will find two verbs. They are is and working. But remember, here working is a main verb and is used as helping verb. Without is, you can't guess the tense of this sentence. So here we have used is to find out or to recognize the tense of the sentence. So we can guess the tense of a sentence by using be forms. So not only guessing tenses by using be forms, we can make negative statements by using be forms, do forms and have forms. And we can make questions also by using be forms, do forms and have forms. Like here is a sentence for you to make a negative sentence. So Hari is working now. You can make it into negative sentences or negative sentence by adding not to the helping verb. So simply Hari isn't or is not working now. So this is a positive statement and this is a negative statement. So we can make positive statements, we can make negative statements by using be forms or helping verbs. And you can make questions also by using be forms, do forms and have forms. Like is Hari working now? This is a question. Is Hari working now? Am I teaching English grammar? Are you looking at me? Are you listening to me? So these are all questions. Do you play cricket? Don't you watch TV? I do. Or I play cricket. I don't watch TV. So these are all statements, questions and negative ones. So we can make questions, we can make positive statements and we can make negative statements by using be forms, do forms and have forms. Here is another example. We have a car. We have a car. Do you find any verb in the sentence? No. No. There is a verb, but it doesn't suggest us a physical activity. Here have. In this statement, have acts as a main verb. It is not a physical activity, but it gives us some information. That's why we call it as main verb. It means have here acts as main verb. Have means nothing but own. We own a car. We have a car. So sometimes be forms, do forms and have forms act as main verb also. And we can make questions, we can make negative statements by using be forms. And here are two more examples for you. We have visited the Taj Mahal 4 times. And we visited the Taj Mahal last year. What is the difference between these two sentences? Yeah, there is a difference between these two sentences. There. We have visited the Taj Mahal 4 times. Here, visited is main verb. What about have? Helping verb. And here we have used have to describe about life experience. You have visited or we have visited the Taj Mahal 4 times, not only 1 time. So we have visited the Taj Mahal 4 times, and here in the statement have is used to describe a life experience. But in the next sentence there is no have. We visited the Taj Mahal last year. So this sentence gives us information about a single experience. So when you use have with V3, that means that shows life experience. So this is about main verbs and helping verbs, and there is a lot to know about helping verbs. So I will explain about helping verbs in our next class. So we will look at helping verbs in our next class. That means we will focus on be forms, do forms and have forms in our next class. Thank you for listening to my class. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. Thank you so much.